Yeedi Company's M12 Ultra Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop.
Here's our little robot cleaning and mopping the house.
Yeah, what you got there, Pinky?
It's in the bathroom there.
Toy. Just got done with the carpet.
It's going to start mopping the home.
You can see the slight wetness in the floor with the mopping.
It didn't say anything. Hey, Tinky, what's going on there, huh? Oh, there's a penguin and stuff here I gotta get rid of. There we go. It's coming there, so you can't move it. Oh, the thing is hanging down there. Oh shoot, dang it. Oh, it's blocking it. We'll see. Oh, it seen that cable. It stopped at that cable that's going across there.
They're coming down the hallway out. That's the bathroom and every place. Got their guts for attacking. What about it, huh?
Go clean the pantry.
What's that doing? Making the house less stinky. Yeah, it is.
It's in the pantry now.
It's in the closet now. You can see it on the carpet.
Now it's doing the closet. There it is, doing the other bathroom. Once it picks up the dribbles or pee that might be on the floor. Come back in.
What away, you gonna get Bob? Oscar, come.
It hasn't gone back to empty anything yet. Refill on the water.
Yeah, it's not gonna go down the stairs.
I think it might be going back to reload or so. You know what? It might be going back. Unload. Hey, quiet. Sure enough, it's going back into its thing. Cleaning and water refilling. Sure enough, it's only like a quarter of the way done, and it wants to refill the water and cleaning out its dustbin. Yeah, it's emptying itself out. Or something. Recharging, and came over here, loading up. It's heading out to someplace. Now it's programming for the next
other bedroom
room or something. Lifted up the little mop.
Oh, it went out into the other hallway. Took a shortcut. Took a shortcut back to the
Coming back.
the office where it left off.
Composit. Now it appears to be doing the hallway again. Working that edge really well. Well, it actually hasn't done it. Just use it for traveling back and forth.
again. You could see, at least I could tell, if the camera picks it up or not.
Doing a real thorough job right here. Where the dogs spill a lot of water from their snouts.
Did the edge of the carpet.
Retracted. Over the carpet now. Lowered the mop again. The other side.
So far, this thing has made us pretty happy. And we'll probably dispose of the boxes and not send it back to Amazon.
It's doing the main hallway right now, back and forth on the composite. That circular thing on the top one and then laying those.
Have you seen in Vegas self-driving taxis? It's a There's there it is. Okay, handle that table. And the vent, okay.
You can see the difference in the carpet cleaning versus the mop. It just has a line on the carpets and a sweeping pattern for the floor. It's vacuum mopping, scrubbing the floor.
Those guts that carpet. I can't get between those chairs.
To me for protection.
How the rest of the
Living room. The areas with still the solid color.
have it on the standard setting, not the overly clean setting.
It hasn't finished yet. It's doing another self-cleaning
To clean
Now
itself
it's
up.
started out again. You can see the area around the
Hasn't done
dining room
anything.
table where the chairs were blocking it from getting underneath. It's mopping, pad cleaning, and water refilling. I believe it's done though now. It's in the station cleaning the mopping pad and refilling its water. So I believe it's done. It says it's drying the mop after it
And thus
cleaned the
ends my
mop.
video of this fantastic
There's
product.
the cleaning log
Yeedi
for
Company
the whole,
M12 Ultra Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. 11,800 Pascal strong suction, zero tangle technology, true edge deep mopping, auto mop washing / drying, auto lift mopping, mini omni station. Thanks for watching. A million more views and I'll be monetized.